This video, we are going to chat about how to use the work ticket screen properly and find your way around the different aspects of the work ticket. So as I've started my shift, I've already gotten to my first site, and I am going to punch into that site by clicking on the work ticket, pushing start work, and start all. If I have a crew of sidewalk people with me, I'm going to hit start all. Okay, then I'm going to come back, and there's just a few things to note here that's important. We do have scheduled hours, so I can see here that I have 1.23 labor hours associated to this particular task, and the service is garden maintenance, and that's important. So I have a different service that's called lawn care or grass cutting. In the winter, we'll have plow tickets. We'll have services for salting. We'll have services for various items. You want to make sure that you click into the service ticket that is associated with the work that you are doing. So if you're not doing garden maintenance or salt truck driving, if you're not salting the parking lots, you should not be clicking into that one. You should be using an appropriate ticket. Next, you'll see the route manager, which will generally be your supervisor or manager. So it's you can click on the phone button to phone them. You have your account manager. In this case, it's me. So again, if you click that, it'll show that's our office phone number, but nevertheless, there it is. Coming back. Okay, so some phones and then address. This little button right here with the arrow, that's going to help you figure out how to get there. You have your choice of Google Maps or Waze. If you click on Google Maps, it'll show you exactly where it is. You'll be able to then start your track, and you'll be able to get there by following Google Maps straight away. Okay, coming back. Let's get out of that. Okay. So that's an important thing. If you're not familiar with the route, or if you're not familiar with where that site is, this is going to be the thing that helps you get to wherever you're going. And then you're going to just see some more information down here at the bottom. If you're looking at adding notes, you can add notes to the, this is general notes here. And then visit notes is where you can actually add a note. You can upload an image from your gallery, or you can take a photo. Take your photo, okay. And then you could write a note. Okay, and add note to that visit. So that could be useful for if you want to kind of provide a little bit of information into the work ticket about what you accomplished on that. You can snap one or two pictures. It doesn't have to be a full picture novel of every square inch of the site, but it can be a few key sort of broad stroke pictures for what that visit looked like when you were finished. Very useful for us. Let's pretend you finished the site at 2 a.m. You took pictures and it's beautiful, and then it starts snowing again at 2:30 or 3, and when the client shows up at 8, they say you've never been here. Well, having these will solidify the fact that we were there. This is the timestamp. These are the pictures. Our operator cleared the 5 centimeters that had already fallen, and we'll be back as soon as we can to clear the next 5 centimeters or whatever it is. So it's an important little bit there. And yeah, that's about how you navigate the work ticket itself. And then when you're done, you can hit stop work, stop. No on completing the ticket and coming back. The reason we don't complete tickets is because we like to use the same ticket for an entire storm. Sometimes a storm can be only one night or one visit. Other times it could be 2 or 3 visits before that storm is fully, completely cleaned up. And so when the storm is fully cleaned up, we will complete the ticket internally in the office to sort of wrap up that event. And so that helps us kind of track the number of events that we have. So, but if you hit yes and complete it by mistake, don't worry, it's not a big deal. Okay, that's how you navigate the screen there.